Something for the back for security, and I actually tried this Floodlight. I looked it up. Great product. Motion detection. That thing bright lights up my whole entire deck. I highly recommend it. It's easy to install, easy to set up, which, come on, who doesn't want that today? Plus it's coming toward with a very secure company. If you look up reports, you don't really see anything with Arlo in the news for security lapses or lack of security features, and that's what I really liked about this product. So if you're looking for something that's super secure that you're not going to have to worry about, especially today's day and age, I would highly recommend the Arlo line of products, and this Floodlight definitely is a must purchase.